What's up guys, this is Raghav and you're watching Dr. Vehicle Mechanic. This is Leyland turbo engine. This engine was making so much noise and its heartbeat was more than the correct. We decided to open the chamber. When we opened the chamber, we found some gear teeth and a nut. When we opened the valve pump, we find there was no nut in the valve pump. After that, we were sure that was valve pump nut. You can look at the gear teeth and the nut condition. Especially you look at the nut which broken the gear teeth. After that we open the timing cover. We check all the gears and we found that the crankshaft gear was broken. You can also look at the crankshaft gear. This is totally damaged. Now we will be replaced it. This is only for now. We will meet in the next video. If you enjoy the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye for now.